Fine particulate matter can cause symptoms such as burning eyes, in the throat, itchy eyes, stuffy nose.
The smoke and dirt in the air can bother anyone, but now new research shows poor air quality could cause even more serious health problems depending on your blood type.
Interesting. CBS 13 meteorologist Lisa Meadows is in the newsroom tonight getting answers on this. Lisa?
Do you know your blood type? Well, if it's anything other than O, a new research study says that you may have a higher risk of a heart attack.
Bad air quality can lead to bad news in the bloodstream.
For individuals, especially those with coronary artery disease, there's a higher risk.
Dr. Benjamin Horn says his research shows it could cause a heart attack in people who already have artery disease.
What we think happens is that the particulates, the PM2.5, these fine particulates, get into the bloodstream and cause inflammation.
And the study shows people with blood types A, B, and AB carry a variant gene that puts them more at risk when there's extremely poor air quality.
For someone with the non-O blood type, that'd be a 75% higher risk of having to go to the hospital for their heart, where for the O blood type, it'd only be a 30% higher risk.
Air quality is already closely monitored in Sacramento.
When we predict that air quality is going to be poor due to higher levels of fine particulate matter, then we will issue a no burn day.
So what causes the most air pollution in Sacramento County? According to the Sacramento Air Quality Management District, wood smoke causes 60% of the wintertime particulate pollution in the Sacramento region. Last season, there were 34 days in which burning was restricted to cut down on pollution. In the Sacramento region, these conditions occurred during some of the coldest days when there is no rain or wind and the smoke has nowhere to go.
Air pollution doesn't take a holiday, so we don't have any control over what the weather does or does not do.
But with a little blood knowledge, those whose blood puts them at extra risk can now take extra precautions.
Last year, there were 294 burn ban day restriction violations. So that means that not everyone is following the law, so there still could be a hazard for smoke-sensitive people.
All right, Lisa, interesting take on that. Appreciate